So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the text border color of some text here in Google Slides, or in other words, change the outline color of text here in Google Slides. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, you first off have to add some text to your document. So go to the top right here, press on the plus icon, press on where it says text, and how about we type in the word outline. Now, if you want to make it a little bit larger, simply just press on it, go to the top, press on the A with the underline, and then we'll make it, how about the size? We'll make it, I don't know, just for you guys, we'll make it 55. We'll go to paragraph and we'll center it all in the middle. So once we're on this screen, also what I'll do, how about is I'll just make the text black so it's a little bit easier to see. Now, if you want to add an outline to it or a border color to it, go back to the same thing. Then go to this option where it says paragraph, a whole bunch of different options here. There's also an option where it says shape. And as you can tell, we have fill color, border weight, border dash, autofit text. We're going to go ahead where it says border color and press on this. Now, if you wanted to, let's just say add a light blue border, we'll press on light blue right there. There you go. And then if you want to change the border weight so you can tell a little bit more, just press on this up arrow and change the pixels of the text that way. So that's how you guys can add a border to some text here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.